Good day. Today the researchers will present their study about the feasibility of canal operata and metapiperita diffusion for muscle pain relief and relaxation from STEM 2E Group 3. For the introduction, according to Milby and Paris Y and Paris J, they claim that many people are suffering from muscle pain or stress due to spending too much time in front of their gadgets because of online classes or online jobs. It boosted the usage of video apps that facilitate teleconfer- teleconferencing, telecommunicating, online learning, and social interactions. For the statement of the problem. In this study, it centers on the benefits of using Panama Odorata and Menta Peperita as an essential oil. The following questions are necessary to be answered in the study. First, how effective are Kananga Odorata and Menta Peperita as muscle pain reliever and as a relaxant? Second, is homemade essential oil more cost efficient than the other commercial products? And lastly, is there a significant difference between the effect of Kananga Odorata and Menta Peperita compared to other commercial products? For the hypothesis, in this study, the researchers will attempt on using the Kananga Dorata and Menta Peperita to relieve muscle pain to workers and to students. This study supports the aromatherapy theory to physically relax the muscle and to relieve the pain because of the ingredients of what the researchers will use in the study. For
Game. Theoretical framework. The theory of aromatherapy is a holistic treatment that uses pleasant-smelling botanical oils and aromatic plant components to care for the body. The gate control theory, the first and most well-known of this idea, is the gate control hypothesis, which states that the cold stimulates a afferent nerve fiber when a nauseous stimulus is present. Activity in A beta fibers tends to close the gate, limiting the experience of pain. A fiber is big diameter, which opens and closes the gate to all input from any part of the body. Next. I- Conceptual framework. Figure 1 input. The following components are required to complete the essential oil. Ilang-ilang, peppermint leaves, 10 milliliter glass bottles, grapeseed oil. Process. The production and preparation of ilang-ilang and peppermint leaves essential oil. Ilang-ilang and peppermint leaves will be infused with olive oil separately. After 24 hours of infused oil will be mixed and will be rest another 24 hours. Output. The feasibility of Kananga odorata blended with Menta piperita as an essential oil for muscle pain and relaxation. And significance of the study. The findings of this study will be greatly contribute to the betterment of our society considering that herbal oil would benefit many people today. The high demand in 2020, the worldwide essential oil market demand was predicted to be 247.08 kilotons, with a compound annual growth rate of 7.5% project from 2020 to 2027. Essential Oils Market Size Share Analysis Report 2020-2027, producing and having more recommended taken on herbal oils would have essential benefits for students or workers that have muscle pain and or for relaxation that would benefit those students or workers working at their respective houses. The students or workers will benefit this because mostly they are sitting for a long period of time that cause back pain or muscle pain. The future researchers will benefit this because it will be more easier for them to gather more information. Next. Scope and delimitation of the study. This product is not allowed for people who have sensitive skin or low tolerance of to ilang-ilang or peppermint leaves. The oil may have allergic reaction that can cause skin irritation if it is not applied correctly. The product must be stored at room temperature and must be kept where children cannot reach it. And the oil must not be exposed to sunlight. The ilang-ilang has a shelf life of 4 to 5 years, and peppermint leaves has a shelf life of 3 to 4 years.
Synthesis of literature review. For a long time, there are professionals in the medicine that are not favor of essential oils due to misinformation and improper use of essential oils. There are theories and certain studies about the ilang-ilang and peppermint leaf as an essential oil to relieve muscle pain. In this study, it shows a wide variety of bioactivities by the extracts of Canaga ordota and has the properties of anti-inflammatory activities in addition. It is thought to be a potentially helpful plant for agriculture and medicine. It has the property of anti-inflammatory activities, which helps to reduce muscle pain disorder that causes muscular inflammation is referred to as myositis, infection, damage, autoimmune disease, and pharmacological adverse effects are all possible causes of myositis. Anti-inflammatory activities is theorizes that the capabilities of ilang-ilang and peppermint leaves to relieve muscle pain. Ilang-ilang has acquired the title of being one of the most potent essential oils. However, it is, its effect on muscle pain has not been truly researched yet. Next slide, please. The research design. This will be an experimental research design. In this type of experimental study, only one dependent group or variable considered. The study will be conducted after a treatment was presumed to cross-change. Muscle pain is one of the problems that people have trouble with. People who are experiencing muscle pain are having trouble working properly or having trouble relaxing after doing some hard work. This study uses a single group design that will sustain the needed data and enables the researchers to manipulate the independent variables which are Canaga ordota and peppermint, and the control variable will be using commercial products. The researchers will compare the two oils to find which is more effective. Next slide, please. The respondents and sampling method. Our respondents will be workers and students who have been feeling muscle pain within their bodies. The researchers used to stratified sampling method since the study focuses on students and workers who will be using the product to test if our product is effective as an essential oil.
Research instrument. In this systematic search, the researchers utilized two research instruments that are the best suitable for the study. The McGill Pain Questionnaire, or commonly known as the MPQ, is best described as self-report survey that provides a better interpretation of the pain experienced by an individual by using key descriptions to get the total score or rate of the pain. Using Visual Analog Scale or VAS is also a great advantage to this study to help the researchers recognize the rate of what the respondents feel by scaling. Next slide. Data gathering. The research will utilize two research instruments in the testing the experimental study of the two mixtures that differ in the number of peppermint leaves used. In this experiment, the researchers will conduct a survey to the respondents if the mixtures are effectual and better than the commercialized products. Next slide. Treatment. The researchers will apply paired t-test and two-tailed test in this study to differentiate the conducted before and after responses by the respondents and to identify which product is more better, economical, and cost-efficient to use.
Thank you for listening in our presentation. I hope you learned and gathered more information about this study.